Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and I want to thank everybody that had shared my video. I wasn't even thinking when I did my last video to include sharing my video as well as doing a VR. I think that's the easier way of sharing or so you don't have to do a VR if you don't want to. If you want to just share my video, go right ahead. um yeah, I think that is the easier way of doing it. So I'm gonna revise my video, my last video, to include that. But thank you for those that have. Okay, so today I wanted to come on real quick to share a birthday card for my mother-in-law. She's turning 90 today, this month, and we're gonna go next week we're driving up to Boston, and we're gonna see her, spend time with her and the family. And I wanted to make her a special card for her special day. I make her cards every year for her birthday. And this is a card that I really wanted to celebrate her. And through the years, she loves strawberries. And I just bought this paper pad this year. I know that this paper pad has been out for about a year. Um, this is a beautiful paper pad. I think you guys already have it or used it already, but this is my first time using it, and I absolutely love this paper pad. Oops, it's already coming apart. Um, yeah, so I just bought this on sale. It's an 8x8 paper. Has 32 sheets in it. It's gorgeous. I love everything about it. I'm sure everybody has seen this paper pad. It's just, I don't know what why I didn't buy it last year. I don't know why. I held back, and I'm like, I don't need any more paper. Well, I needed this paper pad this year. Um, so yeah, I used that paper. I used some stamps. This is this limited edition stamp from Michael's. I think I got it in a pack. It was $1.50 or something like that. I used a memento die set from my stash. And I used this red doily from Recollections. Um, it just went well with the paper collection. And yeah, okay, that's what I used. So what I decided to do was to make a slimline card, and it's a 4x8, so I didn't cut the paper up because I couldn't cut it up. So I might be making more of these cards because it's great. And then I rounded the corners with my corner rounder, my We Are Memory Keepers crocodile. Okay, so like I said, I couldn't really cover the paper, but I did cover a little bit of it. I covered the tag that's up in this corner here, and I added the doily. This is an ephemera piece from the paper collection. It wasn't from the ephemera pack. This is from the paper as well. It is the little strip that I used here, right here. It's a little strip of paper. I don't know what paper pad is this. I don't know. I don't know why I have that piece, but I used that. Must have been another project I used the paper for. I don't know. Don't think so. Anyway, um, then I used this sticker. I think I've used it once before from Hobby Lobby, and This is a Prima flower that I had in my stash. I didn't buy the flowers that went with this collection because I have so much flowers from Prima that I need to use them up. And so I used this one. I could have used the pink one, but it was a different color pink and it didn't really go. Like I said, I should have, I could have bought the flowers that came with this collection that would be perfect. But anyway, I just dug in my stash and I found this really cute cream flower. I added some flat back pearls from my stash. I have an abundance of. This is a what do you call it? This is from Dollar Tree. It came in a pack of different size hearts. And I put it right there on the postcard where a stamp should be. And that's it. Very simple collage of things. And it highlights the 90. I hope she doesn't mind. And then inside is just, a matted place where I can sign and a little strawberry. This is from the ephemera pack. That's definitely from the ephemera pack. And look at this paper. Oh my gosh. And there's the back. There's the limited edition because it's one of a kind. And I used a scallop circle and a stitch circle die in my stash. And I just love how this turned out. Oh, one more thing. I did add some washi. Um, this is not from the paper pack. um, I bought this washi at Dollar Tree and I love it. It is just perfect. And I just added little snippets here and there, even in the back here. Can't even tell that it's not from the paper collection, but it just went, I needed a little bit more red down here. I just love it. So yeah. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great Friday, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.